Imagine gazing at Earth from space. Picture the familiar blue and green hues of our planet, but with a twist that takes your breath away. Our blue planet now shimmers with an unexpected adornment, majestic rings, reminiscent of Saturn but unique in their own right. These rings, unlike any we've seen before, add a new layer of beauty and mystery to our home. These rings, composed of ice and rock fragments, encircle our planet, casting ethereal shadows and reflecting sunlight in a dazzling display. The interplay of light and shadow creates a mesmerizing dance, a spectacle that captivates the imagination. This celestial artwork transforms Earth into a breathtaking spectacle, a testament to the universe's capacity for wonder. The rings add a new dimension to our planet, making it a jewel in the cosmic tapestry. The ring's origin remains a mystery. Scientists and astronomers are left to ponder the enigma, piecing together clues from the cosmos. Perhaps a celestial collision in Earth's distant past shattered a moon, leaving behind these orbiting remnants. The idea of a cataclysmic event shaping our planet's appearance is both awe-inspiring and humbling. Or maybe they formed alongside Earth, cosmic debris sculpted by gravity into a ring system. This theory suggests a more gradual yet equally fascinating process of ring formation. Whatever their origin, these rings forever alter our perception of Earth, reminding us of the universe's boundless creativity. They serve as a constant reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos, urging us to look beyond the familiar and embrace the extraordinary. From Earth's surface, the rings would paint the sky with their ethereal presence. Imagine standing on a quiet hilltop away from the hustle and bustle of daily life and looking up to see these magnificent rings stretching across the sky. Their beauty would be unparalleled, a constant reminder of the wonders of our universe. The rings would shimmer with a soft, otherworldly glow, casting a serene light that would transform the night into a celestial masterpiece. At the equator, the rings would appear as a bright, shimmering band stretching across the heavens, bisecting the sky with their celestial arc. This band would be a constant companion to the equatorial night sky, a luminous ribbon that would inspire awe and wonder. The rings would be so bright and distinct that they would become a part of the cultural and natural heritage of the regions lying along the equator. Their radiant glow would illuminate the night, creating a breathtaking spectacle that would be etched into the hearts and minds of those who witness it. As one ventures towards higher latitudes, the rings would gradually tilt, their perspective shifting with the Earth's curvature. This shift would offer a unique view from every latitude, making the rings a dynamic and ever-changing spectacle. Imagine traveling from the equator to the poles and witnessing the ring's transformation, each view offering a new perspective and a deeper appreciation for the celestial mechanics at play. The rings would appear to dance across the sky, their angle and brightness changing with each step, creating a mesmerizing and ever-evolving panorama. Imagine gazing up at night from a bustling city, and the rings illuminated by the city's glow cast faint shadows, creating an otherworldly ambience. The interplay of city lights and the rings would create a mesmerizing dance of light and shadow, adding a touch of magic to the urban nightscape. The rings would become a symbol of the city's connection to the cosmos, a reminder of the vast universe beyond the city limits. The urban skyline, with its towering buildings and bright lights, would be beautifully complemented by the celestial rings, creating a harmonious blend of human achievement and natural wonder. In less populated areas, far from light pollution, the rings would dominate the night sky, their icy crystals reflecting starlight like a million tiny mirrors. These remote locations would offer the most pristine views of the rings, untainted by artificial light. The rings would appear as a delicate shimmering veil, enhancing the natural beauty of the night sky. Stargazers and nature enthusiasts would flock to these areas to experience the rings in their full glory, finding solace and inspiration in their ethereal presence. The rings would create a celestial tapestry, a silent symphony of light that would captivate the soul and ignite the imagination. The presence of rings would subtly yet significantly influence Earth's behavior. The ring's gravitational pull, while weaker than the moon's, would exert a drag on Earth's rotation. Over vast stretches of time, this drag could slightly slow down Earth's spin, imperceptibly lengthening our days. This gravitational dance between Earth and its rings would be a delicate balancing act. The rings' influence, while subtle, would be a constant reminder of their presence, a celestial dance partner guiding Earth's movements over eons. The rings would align closely with Earth's equatorial plane, creating a unique gravitational interaction. This interaction could also affect Earth's axial tilt, potentially altering the precession cycle over millennia. Such changes might influence long-term climate patterns, adding another layer to Earth's complex system. The rings' gravitational influence would extend far beyond just Earth's rotation. Our oceans, long governed by the moon's steady pull, would now feel the tug of these celestial newcomers. The rings would introduce their own tidal patterns, creating a mesmerizing and complex interplay with the moon's gravitational forces. Coastal regions accustomed to the moon's rhythmic dance would witness a dramatic shift in their tidal symphony. The combined gravitational forces of the moon and the rings would lead to more extreme tides in some areas and weaker tides in others, reshaping coastlines and challenging marine life to adapt to this new reality. Section 5. Shadows in the sky. Climate and the rings' embrace. Beyond their gravitational influence, the rings would cast shadows on Earth, altering the planet's climate in fascinating and complex ways. Depending on their orientation and density, the rings could block sunlight from reaching certain regions, leading to cooler temperatures and shorter growing seasons. This shadow play would create a dynamic interplay of light and dark across the globe. Imagine a world where certain latitudes experience extended periods of twilight as the rings partially obscure the sun. This perpetual twilight could transform the way we perceive day and night. These shadows could create new climate zones, impacting weather patterns and influencing the distribution of plant and animal life. Entire ecosystems might evolve differently under the ring's embrace, adapting to the unique light conditions. Plants might develop new growth cycles, and animals could adapt their behaviors to the altered light and temperature patterns, showcasing nature's incredible resilience and adaptability. The rings would not just be a celestial wonder, but a powerful force shaping the very fabric of life on Earth. Section 6. Life finds a way. Adaptation under a ringed sky. The presence of rings would undoubtedly pose challenges for life on Earth. However, life has a remarkable ability to adapt and thrive. Plants might evolve to flourish in low-light conditions, while animals could develop heightened senses to navigate the shadows cast by the rings. Imagine nocturnal creatures with eyes adapted to see by the faint ethereal light reflected by the rings, or perhaps birds with iridescent plumage, using the rings' shimmering light for communication and courtship. The possibilities for adaptation are as boundless as the universe itself, showcasing nature's incredible resilience and creativity. Section 7. Cosmic Cradle, exploring the rings' composition. The composition of Earth's rings would hold invaluable clues about their origin and the early solar system. These rings, shimmering with icy particles and rocky fragments, are like a cosmic time capsule preserving the history of our solar neighborhood. Studying the rings' icy particles and rocky fragments could provide profound insights into the building blocks of planets and the conditions under which they formed. By analyzing these materials, scientists can piece together the processes that shaped our planetary system billions of years ago. Some scientists even speculate that the rings could harbor microscopic life. This idea, though still in the realm of speculation, opens up fascinating possibilities about the potential for life in the most unexpected places. The icy particles within the rings might contain organic molecules, the essential building blocks of life. These organic compounds, if present, could suggest that the ingredients for life are more widespread in the universe than previously thought. If life could exist in the extreme conditions of space, then perhaps Earth's rings could be a cosmic cradle, nurturing life in their icy embrace. The concept of a cosmic cradle is both intriguing and humbling, reminding us of the resilience of life and the vast potential of the universe to harbor it. As we continue to explore and study these rings, we may uncover more secrets about the early solar system and the potential for life beyond Earth. The journey to understand Earth's rings is not just about looking back in time, but also about envisioning the future of space exploration and the search for life in the cosmos. Section 8. Expanding our horizons, the power of what if. Imagining Earth with rings is more than just a thought experiment. It allows us to push the boundaries of our understanding of the universe and our place within it. By contemplating such scenarios, we challenge our assumptions, ignite our curiosity, and deepen our appreciation for the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, Earth with rings stands as a testament to the boundless power of imagination and the endless possibilities that lie hidden within the universe's embrace. The what if? Questions propel us forward, inspiring innovation, discovery, and a deeper connection to the mysteries of existence.